Hey everybody, we're now going to take our part and we're going to create the multi-view. We're going to go to plus in the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to go create drawing and we're going to go no views. Okay. We're now going to take the part, select it. We're going to select it for the front view. We're going to project it for the left view, project it for the top view, select it, and we're going to select it for the isometric view. I'm going to left click. Once I get out of the projected view, I'm going to left click. I'm going to go show shaded view. And I'm going to look for some hidden lines. So there should be some because of the circle. So I'm going to left click. I'm going to go show hidden lines. None on top. I'm going to left click, show hidden lines. Yes, I have the circle over there. And I'm going to left click and I'm going to go show hidden lines. Oops, I did shaded view, so let me go back. And I'm going to go left click, show hidden lines. And there are our hidden lines. Now I'm going to do the center point for the circle. I'm going to go to center point, center mark. Now I'm going to touch the outside of the circle. Okay, and now I'm going to go 2-point center line. I'm going to line up my center here. There, it guides me with the triangles, telling me where it should be, and done. My center line for the circle is done. Now I'm going to do the center line, edge to edge center line. I'm going to go to the left side, the right side, and there's my edge to edge. Now in the last drawing, edge to edge center line. Okay, so that tells us where our circle is. Next, we're going to do all the edges. Okay, dimension all the edges. So I'm going to go to the dimension drawing, and I'm going to go from top to bottom. I'm going to place it in the middle, and that's 3. Now I'm going to go from top to the second level, calling it 0.5. From top, there we go. I'm calling it 1. And you do not need to do the bottom one. You could just do subtraction. Okay. Next, I'm going to do the top part. So I'm going to dimension from left to right. And I get it's 3.5 across. Now I'm going to go from, I think I'll do it from this side actually. From left. Here we go. I have 2. Okay. And now I have 1 more. I'm going to go from here to here. And it gives us a half. Okay. So I've now dimensioned the different levels, and what's left is the circle. And you always want to dimension the circle that does not have the hidden lines. So I'm going to make sure dimension is selected. I'm now going to do the radius. Here we go. There's the radius. And now I want to do the position. So the position is from the center to the edge. Here I have, that's 1. And from the edge to the other center, 0.75. So we could find the circle, and I see where the circle is. Now I want you to look at my diameter. It's crossing a line. My leader line is crossing an arrow line. So I'm going to left click, I'm going to delete it, I'm going to redo my diameter setting or my diameter distance right there. Beautiful. Okay, so I think we are fully dimensioned. We don't have anything on the bottom right side. You could keep it or you don't have to keep it, but there's no measurements that need to be on it.